Here's where you can go to find the charging settings as well as battery protection for your battery. This is for Samsung phones with Android 15, One UI 7.0, and let's get started. There's two word phrases that you can use in search to find these features. Use the quick access, go into the settings toggle right here, and once you're here, the first one you can type in is charging settings. So go ahead and type that in. Press search. You'll see it as a suggestion under the battery options here. And when you go into it, you will see show charging information, which will show battery level and estimated time until full. And this is going to show it on the lock screen. And whether you have always on display on or off, it's going to show you that. You also have the fast charging enabled here, and this is going to work for wired connected chargers. Then you have fast wireless charging. So these are two different features here. So fast charging is for the wired connection, and fast wireless charging is if you're using a wireless charger. You can turn that on from here or tap here on the words just to get an idea of how this actually works if you've been looking for this here. Now, as you back out of here, you can either end up in the battery section, or if not, you'll go back into the quick access, use settings right here, tap on that once, and type in the words battery protection. So battery protection. All right, and you'll see the suggestion here. And when you go here, you can choose to turn this on or off if you don't want to use any of them. But once it's on, you have your basic charging, which when battery is charged, it's going to be 100% and charging will stop and recharge when it reaches 95%, even though if it's still in the USB-C charging at the moment. Then you have the one that will stop charging at 80%. And of course, you can use this to customize based on your pattern and location, so it can learn your patterns. And finally, you have the maximum of your battery will stop charging at 80%. This here will also give you another option to either choose whether it's going to stop charging at 80, 85, 90, or 95%. And of course, that's going to prevent overcharging if you were looking for this feature here. And these are all your battery charging settings. And if you've been looking for this features here and you found it, like and sub.